Hi, this is Rian from Must Be Noob. This lab guide is on how to set up multi-factor authentication for end user in Microsoft Entra ID. In last lab guide, you have seen the steps to enable multi-factor authentication for Microsoft Entra ID user account. This lab guide will show you the end user process to complete multi-factor authentication registration. Check the multi-factor authentication status for user Dexter Morgan. It is enabled. When these users sign in and complete the registration process, multi-factor authentication state will change to Enforce. Open New in Private browser window. Type myaccount.microsoft.com and press Enter key. Type the username and click on Next. Type in user password and click on Sign in. You will receive a message. Your organization needs more information to keep your account secure. Click on Next to start MFA registration process. Install and use Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone or use phone-based OTP verification option as a second authentication method for MFA. To keep this lab simple, I'm using phone-based OTP verification method. Click on I want to set up a different method. From the drop-down, select Phone. Click on Confirm. Choose country code and type phone number. Click Next to receive OTP code on given number. Enter OTP code and click on Next to complete the verification. You will receive a message, your phone was registered successfully. SMS verified. Your phone was registered successfully. Click on Next. Choose Done to continue sign-in process. You have successfully completed the MFA registration process for Microsoft Entra ID user account Dexter Morgan. Go back to Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Refresh the web page. Again, check the MFA status for the user. This time, user's MFA status changed to Enforce. This means per user multi-factor authentication is currently enabled and configured for Microsoft Entra ID user account Dexter Morgan. In this lab guide, you have learned how to complete the MFA registration process for Microsoft Entra ID user account. That's all for this lab guide. Stay tuned for more videos like this. See you all in the next lab guide.